Unlocking clarity in English, the answer is clear. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that often puzzles learners. The answer is clear. This simple yet profound statement is a staple in conversations, literature, and even in academic settings. Our journey today will demystify its meaning, usage, and the subtle nuances that come with it. So, let's embark on this linguistic adventure together, and by the end, the meaning of "the answer is clear" will be, well, clear to you. At its core, "the answer is clear" signifies that the solution or explanation to a question or problem is obvious and unmistakable. It implies that there is no doubt or confusion about the answer, making it straightforward for anyone involved. This phrase often carries a tone of finality, suggesting that further discussion or deliberation is unnecessary. Everyday conversations. In casual talks, it's used to affirm one's stance or to signify that something should be generally understood. For instance, if someone asks whether it's going to rain when the sky is filled with dark clouds, you might say, "The answer is clear," pointing out the obviousness of the situation. Academic and professional settings. In more formal contexts, this phrase can underline a well-supported conclusion after an analysis or debate. It emphasizes that, based on evidence or logic, the conclusion reached is the only reasonable one. Writing. Writers may use this phrase to introduce or conclude arguments, making their stance unequivocal to the reader. It serves to strengthen the authority of the written word, leaving little room for ambiguity. While "the answer is clear" is straightforward, its reception depends on the tone and context. It can sometimes come off as dismissive or authoritative, so it's important to gauge the situation and the audience before using it. Additionally, in discussions where feelings and perspectives are involved, what seems clear to one person may not be so to another. Thus, sensitivity and openness to dialogue are crucial. And there you have it, the essence of the phrase, "The answer is clear." With this explanation, we hope the phrase itself is now as clear as day to you. Remember, language is not just about words but also about context, tone, and the shared understanding between speaker and listener. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the vast ocean of the English language.